Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I was most of the way through this video and my battery died because I forgot. I was charging a battery last night and decided to wait and charge it this morning and had taken out the fully charged battery, so I'm going to start over. This is a sequin haul, and this is 3 different mini hauls. In other words, I went to Tuesday morning, bought a few, thrift store, and Cartwright's. So I've never dumped out one of the ones from Tuesday morning before, so I wanted to show you. This is the tins I get. They went up a bit. They used to be $1.99, now they're $2.29. But this is what you get in one of those tins. This is a full-size Chinette plate that I used to bead on, and it's quite substantial. Now this is the silver and gold I got. They're a matte finish, and they have a little bit of stars in there. I think there are some hologram sequins. The stars look like they're silver. It doesn't look like there's any gold. But you got some hologram gold and some matte gold and matte silver, and they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And for $2.29, that's a lot. That would fill a pretty good sized little bag. And then this is their Christmas one. Every season they'll get something for that holiday. And you can see the little snowman, there's trees, there's reindeer, see the brown reindeer. And then you got some clears in there. And I think there's some clear green in there too. That's probably the one I should have dumped out. Oh, you know what? I have another plate here. Let's do that, because it'd be fun to show you what exactly they put in these things. They fill them with all kinds of stuff. You can see there's some teardrop acrylics. There is... Now I'm going to tell you something about this particular one. It has a very strong plasticky smell, which I've never had in any of their sequins. So I think it must be there's some acrylic stars. These do not have holes, so these are to glue on or to use as scatter. But, you know, it's a neat box. You get a lot of fun little pieces in there. And I'm going to probably take these out of the tins and put them in bags. If I have one more, I don't have another plate out that I can... Oh yeah, I do have a little plate. This is a smaller plate, but I can show you what the third one has in it. Because I never show you what's in these boxes, and they're pretty fun. And then you've got the little boxes you can use for other stuff. Okay, this one is going to be fun. This is kind of red, white, and blue, and you got stars in here, and you got a few flowers. But this is real patriotic. You got a few red metallics, a lot of shears. Some of those matte silver and golds are in here, or satin finish, I guess they're called. And this is a real nice patriotic one, but boy, they're stuck in the... There we go. They were stuck in there. And you got some little bitties. You can see those are little 3 or 4 millimeter. And so that's what you get in those little tins. And then when you're done, if you put them into bags, you got some pretty nifty little tins here that you can use for crafts. You could put a magnet on the back, put spices. You could do anything with these little tins. They're quite cute. Now, I don't know if they're food safe, so maybe I wouldn't put food in them. But you could make some fun little things out of them. And I've probably got 20 of them that I have not bagged yet, because I buy these all the time. They did go up from $1.99 to $2.29, but it's still a very good deal. Then at the thrift store yesterday, our granddaughter called us. We were about to go down to the candy... Let me see. I think this is on Zoom. We were going down to a candy factory near us to pick up some candy for the holidays. And she caught us as we were leaving the house. We met her at the thrift store with one of her friends, and because she knows her grandma, and they had all these sequins. Now this reminds me of something from either Michael's, maybe Joann's, where they'd be about $2 a package. So I got them for about half price, but you got all these wonderful colors in here. Now these are great when you're starting out and you don't have a lot of sequins. You don't have to buy 200 individual packages. Buy either you can buy the big boxes or bags that are mostly primary colors. They might have a little white, very rarely black, but they have a lot of these. And this has like pinkish purple, a light pink, silver gold, blue, and different sizes. So you can stack these, make the stacked sequins, do all kinds of fun things with these. Then these are also from there, and I got one of these I opened it up so you could kind of see. These are all in browns and golds. You got a little bit of hologram here. And my husband thinks these might have been from Dollar Tree, but the ones I got from Dollar Tree were in bags, not in... I got beads like this, but I don't know. But $1's fine. I got 2 holograms here, a bunch of metallics, couple satins, a brown and a silver. I got 2 of those. And then I got one of this gorgeous blue, and I did not open this one for you to see. But a lot of great blues in here. You got some metallic hologram. Oh, this is a hologram here. And then these are metallic. Most of these are metallic. These 2 are like an opaque, no real shiny coating, kind of just glossy. And this is hologram. These are all metallic. And I love the metallics. This is kind of a vintagey color. Those were $1 each also. And then my Cartwrights. And I got their Christmas mix, which every one of these is different. So you cannot buy one and get the same thing as I got. Every bag is different. They state that on there. And it's just a nice mix of holiday shapes and colors. I got their spooky mix, which is all kinds of their actual Halloween shapes. Pumpkins, skull and crossbones, ghosts, bats. Some green trees. These were all about $1.75 a bag. Then I decided I'm going to show you the couple things that aren't of this collection. I got a white slightly cupped luster and an ivory slightly cupped luster. And then I got something on their new page. And it's a pink metallic diamond with a hole at top and bottom and kind of a beaded edge. This is their opalescent set. And there's a cashmere and chiffon, which are 2 different yellows. This is a purple. It's called Iris. I got the small 4mm and the 6. This is white opal, which has a slight pink, just like a real opal, also in the 4 and 6. These are 3 different pinks I picked up. I've got taffy, peony, and bashful, and it shows you all the different colors. Real pretty. Then there's Margarita, which is really pretty. It's a green opalescent. This one's called Lanai, and it's a green, like almost a seafoam, but not quite. Kind of a seafoam. If I had to put a color on, I'd say close to seafoam. Real pretty in the 4 and 6. This is called Hydrangea, and it really looks very hydrangea, that purpley blue. This is Maui, which is also in the 4 and 6. In a beautiful blue. And this is amazing. It's called Volcano, and guys, this thing's gorgeous. Look at that fiery color. Oh, I can't wait to figure out something to use that in. It looks like fire. They could have named it lava. It is amazing. Gorgeous. Anyway, Cartwrights. I don't get anything, because if I did, I'd be giving you a link. This is just Cartwrights with 2 C's. CCARTWRIGHT.com. I've been buying from them when they first started. They were packing them in little bags and put a cardboard top on them. And now they're doing this. Gorgeous sequins. I have never found another site ever that had the variety and quality that they have. They do not know I exist. I think even one of my friends wrote and told them that I promote them, but I never heard back from them. They don't care. You know, they don't need anybody to promote them. They do have a YouTube channel where they show their products. You can check that out. But they don't need anyone to promote them. They have the market. They have the best gorgeous sequins. And I probably spend about $200 to $300 a year on them. So let me be clear. My sequins are not just a crafting supply to me. They are a collection. I thoroughly love my sequins. So they, along with my seed beads, bugle beads, felt, and weird as it is, my vintage pipe cleaners, they're collections. Don't know why the pipe cleaners. The other 3 all go together, but they're a collection. They're things I truly love and collect. But I'd say the sequins are #1, followed by the seed beads and bugle. Felt is felt, but I do like getting unusual old vintage pieces once in a blue moon, and it's not often, but I do find some unusual vintage patterns. But I'm telling you, this lava, or not lava, I keep calling it lava, volcano is stunning. Absolutely. And I bet you they have a video up of these opalescents. It's much better than mine. But anyway, I'm going to get this video uploaded. I thought I recorded it yesterday. Cannot find it. Don't know what happened to it. And then the next video I will be doing for you will be... Let me show you. Is these little trees. This is an earring. I don't have it on an ear wire. But I'm going to show you how to make these little tree earrings. And if you have seed beads in your house, all you need are brown for the base and then your greens and colors. But honestly, I've done one in gold before. Here's gold and white. You could do them in blue. You could do them in any color you want, and you can do them in every size. The pair I wear are this size. I haven't finished this one. But I'm going to show you how to do the little ones, because then you can grow upon that. But these are little. You can make them for Christmas gifts. This is my next video, which I'm going to shoot later today. So I will have that video up today or tomorrow. And then I've got some other fun stuff planned as well. So anyway, I thank you for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps my channel. Most of my favorite channels, or quite a few of them, I found from recommendations by YouTube, and that's how you get recommended, when people like your videos, when they give you a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you'd subscribe. I've been the last few months of the year has been rough. My husband had surgery on his back. We had to go to California to take care of his mom as she was on hospice, and we took care of her till she passed. And then we had to take care of her final arrangements, and then we came home, and he had to start physical therapy to go back to work. So I'd say from about beginning of July to now, I haven't been quite on task. So I do apologize, but life happens sometimes, you know. But going into the new year, it's going to be great. I'm going to get a lot more done and a lot more videos. I wanted so badly to get a lot of vintage videos, vintage type ornaments done, but I will get at least one more of those vintage shaped ornaments done for you. And I have another ornament. I'll give you another sneak peek. I don't normally give sneak peeks of too many things, but this is another ornament I'm going to show you how to do. So this is this one for sure, and then I'm hoping to do another one. But this will come up in the next week along with the Santa earring, the tree earrings, and also some Santa earrings. So those are the three things I'm definitely will get done before Christmas. And I'll see what else. I've got a couple other projects that I want to do for you as well. So thanks so much. I appreciate your support. You've been all wonderful and so supportive and caring. And I just have a wonderful community here. So thanks to all of you. And I will be back hopefully today, but no later than tomorrow with the tree earrings. So I will see you then. Bye.